3 zip ties around Jason's transaxle.
Ooh, that'll be fun.
Armed with a few zip ties, we slid under his car and attached them to his drive shaft. I don't know what was funnier, Jason stressing over the mysterious noise, or watching him crawl underneath to try to find it.
I can't fit.
Oh, you don't want to get dirty, right?
You see it?
It looks all right. I don't see anything hanging.
Okay, what is that shit? So that ain't nothing. Where does it sound like it's coming?
I don't know. It's pretty bad. Let me get some tools real quick. I think it's it's either his drive shaft or his CV boot.
Y'all are full of shit. You all did this. This exhaust is hot. Keep burning my damn hands.
You left the car turned on. That's the first time this guy's ever been underneath the car. I can assure you that.
This thing's been a beast. So something ain't right. And it's these two jackasses is what ain't right.